Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.3. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.93%. This translates to an average return of 0.33% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock resides in the upper segment of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders. As a reaction toward the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout at the top trend line, which is currently $219.88, will initially suggest a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 14.93% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 0.78% and 17.64%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects an 11.01% change. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 11.47% and 29.84% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $190.18 and $278.92. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Amazon stock after losing approximately 0.592%. The Amazon stock price decreased by about 0.592% on the last day, Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, falling from $216.10 to $214.82. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.33%, reaching a day low of $214.56 and a day high of $217.41. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.43% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume declined on the last day, alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 30 million shares exchanged for approximately $6.4 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 11.42%, or $27.70, below the 52-week high, and 83.54%, or $1,090.38, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon's Chief Executive Officer, Andy Jassy, confirmed today that the company's corporate workforce is expected to shrink considerably in the coming years as generative artificial intelligence is integrated into its operations. Jassy emphasized the importance for employees to adapt by embracing these technological advancements to secure their positions. This announcement comes amidst a broader trend in the technology industry regarding artificial intelligence's impact on employment, signaling significant shifts in job structures. The implications for Amazon stock are multifaceted. In the short term, investor sentiment may be negatively affected as concerns about job cuts could lead to speculation around operational efficiency and morale. However, in the long term, if Amazon successfully implements artificial intelligence-driven efficiencies, it could enhance profitability and operational capacity, potentially driving stock prices up. Additionally, the ongoing transition towards artificial intelligence may provide Amazon with a competitive edge against rivals such as Walmart, especially as both companies explore opportunities to disrupt traditional banking systems, further enhancing their market positions. Overall, the strategic push towards artificial intelligence appears poised to reshape not just the workforce, but also the broader financial landscape, marking a critical pivot for Amazon and its stakeholders. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a buy grade to Amazon with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned a buy grade to Amazon with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned a buy grade to Amazon with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald gave Amazon a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock currently displays a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. In contrast, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this suggests an overall buy signal for the stock, presenting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $214.86. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average around $203.43. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged that may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 10, 2025, and the stock has since dropped by 1.28%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 6 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 39 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you are looking for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $191.10. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $2.85, which is 1.33%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 1.91%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively normal and is often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.31. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $216.10. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $191.10. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of June, 2025, Jeffrey Bezos conducted an insider sell of 24,410 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider sell of 2,500 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider buy of 3,827 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted another insider buy of 3,520 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington also conducted an insider sell of 6,743 shares of common stock, par value 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 67.640. Overall, insiders purchased 243,235 shares and sold 1,313,566 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $206.22, representing a decrease of 4%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators combined with an overall positive trend suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of June, we anticipate Amazon will open higher by approximately 77 cents, starting trading at $215.60. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.